We define BIM as a set of processes, standards and cultural challenges that are required to deliver better outcomes for the owner. These outcomes impact social, environmental and economical aspects of procuring an asset. Adopting these new methodologies and changing the way we've been designing, constructing, operating and maintaining our assets has been a difficult task across all industries. The most challenging aspect has been changing the culture of our supply chain, from the owner at the top, through the top tier contractors, their subcontractors, the logistics, fabricators and manufacturers. Each of these organisations has a part to play in the BIM story, but if they don't know or understand the why, how, what and when, then we put our asset at risk. The BIM Advancement Academy programme is specifically put in place to help make these changes possible.
Crossrail is a unique project covering over 100 kilometres of track, 21 kilometres of twin-bore tunnels straight through the City of London, linking Reading in the west with Shenfield and Abbey Wood in the east. It comprises over 200 individual contracts interwoven together to deliver what will be a world-class railway. To deliver this, Crossrail needed all its contractors to comply with its BIM protocols and principles. These demanded a high level of collaboration and communication, as well as adherence to standard libraries, dictionaries and methodologies. The cultural changes alone required by every participant were a significant barrier to delivering our vision. So to help tackle this, we engaged with Bentley Systems to deliver what is known as the Crossrail Bentley Information Management Academy.
The Academy's curriculum is based on the three key ingredients to BIM: people, process and supporting technology, which form the foundations of all our sessions. The Crossrail Information Management Academy started out with the contract onboarding sessions, bringing in the middle management from each project and briefing them on the aspects of Crossrail's vision, document, CAD and asset management. Other academies will probably start earlier, delivering pre-qualification briefings. There are also sessions at the higher levels, talking about BIM strategy at the top, all the way down to highly technical ones, focusing on a specific process or technology. The Academy's curriculum is very much focused on the effect the organization wants to achieve.
An academy doesn't have to be aimed at a specific project, but can help any organization making significant changes in their processes and standards. An academy should be a vital ingredient in any situation where a major culture change is needed. Academies don't need to be static. In fact, they can be mobile, visiting a disparate workforce situated in different cities, countries or continents. Bentley's Academy programme is scalable, adaptable and global, with our model of a dedicated industry professional for each subscriber to determine the content that maps to business imperatives, and the flexibility to deploy Academy configurations wherever needed for however long they are required, means that Bentley Academies can meet all possible client requirements. And add to that, we strive to have our courses accredited to industry standards around the world, so subscribers can be assured of the quality of content.
Well, in the Academy what we do is we bring in every week, week after week, 10 to 15 contractors or other interested staff from the supply chain and also some of our third-party stakeholders to bring them through, to get them to understand the world of data and information in Crossrail, because the tendency is to actually think of CAD being separate to record management and document control and separate to GIS, whereas actually it's all interrelated data and information that we need to use to build the railway and then subsequently to use that information a little bit later. So we want to get people to realise that this world of data is actually joined up and how they actually use it. We have specific and particular processes and procedures that we need to use to try and get this consistency of data. So we do have to have everybody working in a Crossrail way. So it's important that we can use the environment here, the workstations, and we have the training and the coaching modules to help people understand what that Crossrail way is.